What's up, Classic Car World? Welcome back to CraigerCoClassic. Today we're going to be dealing with a headlight, and more particularly, actually, the headlight adjusting screw. There are 4 of these, and as you can imagine by the angle of my headlight, they adjust where your headlight angle will be. You might have seen videos of people like adjusting it with a light against their garage. I'm having issues with my bottom one, obviously, and I'm going to try a new one. Here's the part number. I got this from Autokrafters. Looks honestly pretty cool. I think all of us have dealt with parts in the past where they just didn't really look like the original. This is actually pretty high quality. So I'm excited to attempt to install it on here and hopefully fix my issue. I don't know if anyone's made any videos about adjusting screws on a 60-something Ford, but I figured maybe someone will find this informative, so this video will be on the short side. So yeah, I'm going to remove the bezel, and then from there I'm going to install this, and we'll see if it fixes my issue. I'm hoping that maybe somebody out there will be able to use this information. So here's the old one that's not staying put. It literally popped out and was hanging out in the bottom of my bezel. So let's see if this new one will fix the issue. They seem to be a little different, but nothing crazy, which is cool. So as you guys can see from the photo, the plastic part wedges into that square inside there, that rectangle. And from there, you can see this ridge right there, and that right here, that's where that ridge goes. So we'll see if this one works. That was definitely one way to install it. And then of course from this point you adjust where you want your headlight to be. It actually looks like it's in a decent spot. From this point you will then want to adjust both headlights to be able to project along the road well. A lot of people do this when night falls. They roll their truck out, put their garage down, and turn on their lights, and then adjust these screws here until each of the headlights are lined up. I'm sure there's plenty of ways to do all of this. This was probably the wrong way of doing it, and that's okay, but it is effective. It is on there, and my problem is fixed. Hope you guys enjoy this short little video. It's one of those things that I didn't look, but there may not be anything out here about this, so I'll put the part number up. If you guys are watching this video because you guys are looking for parts to fix a certain issue like this, or any part to do with your truck, check out Autokrafters and use the promo code AKF100World and save 10% on orders over 100. And they also have the Gold Club membership. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.